Good afternoon, students. This is your mathematics section for grade 7th. How are you all? Yes, hope you are all fine and safe. Okay, students, today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter name is fraction. Okay, chapter 2 fractions. What is chapter 1? In the first chapter, we have learned about integers, right? Integers, then properties of integers, everything we have learned. This is our next chapter, that is integer. Okay, if you have book means take page number 21. Page number 21. Today we are going to learn some of the basic concepts of fractions. Okay, first, what is fraction? What is fraction? What is fraction? Any idea what is fraction? Yes, fraction is a part of your whole. Okay, fraction is a part of your whole. Fraction is in the form of n by d. Okay, fraction is a part of your whole. Fraction is in the form of n by d. Listen, fraction is in the form of n by d. Okay, fraction is in the form of n by d. Here n is the numerator, d is the denominator. N means numerator, d is the denominator. Okay, fraction is in the form of, okay, listen, fraction is in the form of n by d. We will write the fraction in the form of n by d. Okay, n stands for numerator, d stands for denominator. Numerator means top of the fraction. Okay, numerator means top of the fraction, denominator means bottom of the fraction. See one example. Take the fraction as 3 by 4. Okay, our example is 3 by 4. Here, which is the numerator? Which number is the numerator? Yes, 3 is the numerator because numerator is top of the fraction. This is the numerator. Then say what is the denominator? What is denominator? Yes, this 4 is the denominator because denominator is the bottom of the fraction. It is denominator. Understand? What is numerator and denominator? Numerator means it is the top of the fraction. Denominator means bottom of the fraction. Okay, numerator spelling Numerator. Denominator spelling Denominator. Okay, this is the definition for fraction. Fraction is in the form of n by d. Here n is the numerator and d is the denominator. See one example. Example is 3 by 4. Here 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Clear? Okay, students, next we are going to learn the types of fraction. There are many types of fractions are there. One by one we are going to see. The first type is like fraction. Okay, like fraction. What is like fraction? Okay, friends, this is the definition for like fraction. In like fraction, the denominator of the fractions are same. Okay, this is the definition for like fraction. In like fraction, the denominator of the fractions are same. What is denominator? Bottom number of the fraction, right? Here, the bottom number of the fractions are same. Okay, that is like fraction. You can see one example. 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2. See all the denominators. In the denominator, which number is there? 2. Yes, 2 is the denominator. For all the fractions, there are same denominators. So, this fraction is called like fraction. Okay. In like fraction, the denominator of the fraction of same. In like fraction, all the denominators are same. Understand? This is like fraction. Okay, our second type is unlike fraction. In unlike fraction, the denominator of the fractions are different. Okay, in like fraction, the denominators of the fraction are same. In unlike fraction, the denominator of the fractions are different. Okay, that's the difference between like and unlike. See here the example: 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 2, 4 by 7. See all the denominators, whether all the denominators are same? Whether all the denominators are same? No, it is not same. So this is unlike fraction. What is like fraction? In like fraction, the denominator of the fractions are same. Okay, there the denominators are same. In unlike fraction, the denominators are different. Clear? Okay, our next type is proper fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator is lesser than the denominator. Okay, in proper fraction, the numerator is lesser than the denominator. What is numerator? Already we have learned. What is numerator? Yes, numerator is the top of the fraction. What is denominator? Denominator is the bottom number of a fraction. Okay, in proper fraction, the numerator is lesser than the denominator. Okay, see the first example, 2 by 5. Here our numerator is 2, denominator is 5. So from this we can say the numerator is lesser than the denominator, right? Here which number is less? 2 is the lesser number. Lesser number is the numerator. Yes, in proper fraction, the numerator is lesser than the denominator. See one more example, 3 by 4. Here also the numerator is lesser than the denominator, right? So this is the definition for proper fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator is lesser than the denominator. Okay. Okay, our next type is improper fraction. Improper fraction is just opposite to proper fraction. Okay, in improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, in improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. What we have learned in the proper fraction? In proper fraction, the numerator is lesser than the denominator, but in improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. See the example, 5 by 2. Okay, our numerator is 5, denominator is 2. See whether the numerator is greater than the denominator. Yes, 5 is greater than 2, right? So this one is improper fraction. In improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. What is proper fraction? In proper fraction, the numerator is lesser than the denominator. Okay. Our next type of fraction is unit fraction. In unit fraction, the numerator of the fraction is 1. If the numerator is 1 means that is called unit fraction. Okay. If the numerator of the fraction is 1 means that is unit fraction. Okay. See the first example, 1 by 2. See what is the numerator? The numerator is 1. So it is unit fraction. If the numerator of the fraction is 1 means it is unit fraction. Don't forget, if the numerator of the fraction is 1, it is called unit fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. These are all unit fraction. Okay. Okay students, our next type is mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction means in mixed fraction we have whole number and proper fraction together. This is the format for mixed fraction. Okay, in mixed fraction we will be having a whole number and proper fraction. Okay, we will be having one whole number and one proper fraction together is called mixed fraction. See the first example. See, the number is 1, 2 by 5. The number is 1, 2 by 5. Here 1 is the whole number, right? 1 is the whole number. This is not a fraction number. 1 is a whole number. Then near to the whole number, which number is there? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is which type of fraction? 2 by 5 is which type of fraction? It is proper fraction because the numerator is lesser than the denominator, right? So it is proper fraction. So this is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means it is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. Okay, we have whole number and proper fraction together is called mixed fraction. See one more example, 3, 2 by 3. So 3 is the whole number, 2 by 3 is the proper fraction. So this is a mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction we have whole number and proper fraction together. This is the form of our mixed fraction. Understand? Have you all understand? Okay, now say how will we convert this mixed fraction into a fraction? That means improper fraction. When you are converting a mixed fraction, you will be getting the improper fraction. Okay, keep it in mind. When you are converting the mixed fraction into a normal fraction, that type of fraction is improper fraction. Now say how will you convert? How will you convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction? Our question is 1, 2 by 5. How will you convert? How will you convert? Any idea? Yes. First, multiply these two numbers, that is 1 and 5. First, multiply 1 and 5. 1 into 5. Okay, first multiply 1 into 5. Then put one bracket. Then add the numerator number, that is 2 plus 2. Okay, first multiply 1 and 5. That is 1 into 5. Then add this number plus 2, then divided by, in the denominator which number is here? Denominator number is 5, then put the 5 here. Understand? For converting mixed fraction into improper fraction, first multiply 1 and 5. 1 into 5 plus add this number, okay, plus 2 divided by the denominator number, that is 5. Understand? Okay, what is the answer say? What is 1 into 5? 1 into 5 is, what is 1 into 5? Yes, 5 plus 2 divided by 5. Okay, 5 plus 2 divided by 5. What is 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 is 7 by 5. Okay, 7 by 5. Which type of fraction is this? 7 by 5. 7 by 5 is a improper fraction. Why it is improper fraction? Because numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is improper fraction. When you are converting a mixed fraction, you will be getting the improper fraction. How will you convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? First we need to multiply these two numbers, okay, that is 1 into 5. 1 into 5 plus 2. Add this number divided by, put the denominator number, same number here. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 by 5. Our answer is 7 by 5. 12. Understand? Understand? Okay, the first question we have converted mixed to improper. Next question is improper fraction to mixed fraction. Next we are going to convert this improper fraction, that is 11 by 2 to mixed fraction. Okay, how will you convert? How will you convert the? First we need to divide. Okay, first divide 11, put the 2 outside. Okay, now say 2 table. Whether 10 is divisible in 2 table? No, it will not divisible. Okay, so take the nearby number. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are, it is 12. It is greater than 11, so take 5 2s are 10. So put 5 here, 10. Now subtract both the numbers. We will be getting the remainder 1. Okay, so our answer is, remainder is 1. Okay, so we are going to write this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. How will you write? How will you write down? What is mixed fraction? It's a combination of whole number and proper fraction together, right? So we are going to take it in the clockwise direction. Okay, first take the quotient. First take the quotient. Quotient number is 5, right? So write 5 here. 5. Then write this number. Write this remainder here divided by this dividend. Okay, 5 1 by 2. Our answer is 5 by 2. Whether this is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction? Yes, this is a mixed fraction. 5 1 by 2. We are going to write it in a clockwise direction. First write the quotient, that is 5, then remainder 1 by 2. Okay, 5 1 by 2. It is mixed fraction. Understand? Okay students, we can see one more example. 14 by 3. We are going to convert this 14 by 3 into a mixed fraction. For that, first we need to divide the numbers, right? So 14 3. Now say 3 table. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. It is more than 14, so take 4 3s are 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12. When you are subtracting 14 and 12, what is the remainder? It is 2. Okay, what's the next step? We can't able to proceed, so stop this. Then write this number into a mixed fraction. How will you write? First we need to write which number? First we need to write which number? This 4. Then come clockwise direction. 4, that is quotient. Then remainder 2 by 3. Okay, 4 2 by 3. Understand? This is a conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Do you all understand? Have you all understand? Yes. How many types of fraction we have seen today? What are the fraction we have seen? What are the fraction we have seen? First one is like fraction. In like fraction, the denominator of the fractions are same. Here, all the denominators are same. Then what is unlike fraction? Denominators of the fractions are different. Okay, denominator of the fractions are different is called unlike fraction. Next one is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? In proper fraction, the numerator is lesser than the denominator. Okay, in proper fraction, the numerator is lesser than the denominator. In improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, here the numerator is greater than the denominator, that is improper fraction. Okay, next one is a unit fraction. What is unit fraction? In unit fraction, the numerator of the fraction is 1. If the numerator is 1, means it is called unit fraction. The next one is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction, we have whole number and proper fraction together, that is mixed fraction. How will you convert mixed fraction to improper fraction? First, we need to multiply these two numbers, that is 1 into 2, then add this number to that number. 1 into 5 plus 2 divided by, put the same denominator, 5, 5. Okay, so then 1 into 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 by 5, so our answer is 7 by 5. Okay, this is a conversion of mixed to improper. Next, improper to mixed fraction. Our question is 11 by 2. First, divide 11 by 2. So 5 2s are 10, balance 1. First take the 5. Okay, 5. Then this remainder 1 by 2. 5 1 by 2. This is the conversion. Understand? Okay, next we are going to see some examples. So first example is 7 by 12, comma, add 7 by 12, comma, 17 by 12. Okay, 7 by 12, comma, 17 by 12. We are going to add these two fractions. So 7 by 12 plus 17 by 12. 7 by 12 plus 17 by 12. So how will you add this two fraction? How will you add? If it is whole number, means you will be add. It is easy, right? Here it is fraction number. So how will you add? First, see the denominators. When you are adding to fraction, first we need to note the denominator, whether the denominators are same or different. Okay, that's the main thing. First, we need to note whether the denominators are same or different. See here, both the denominators are same or different. Here the denominator is 12, here also 12. So both the denominators are same. So it is a like fraction. Okay, so this is a like fraction. If it is like fraction, means it is very easy. Just add the numerator only. Okay, see here both the denominators are same, so commonly put 12, one denominator. Okay, commonly put one denominator, that is 12. Then add the numerators. The main thing is add the numerator. If both the numbers are having same denominator, means commonly you put 112, that is same denominator, and just add the numerator. 7 plus 17. What is 7 plus 17? 7 plus 17 is, add and say, yes, 24. So 24 by 12. This is our answer, 24 by 12. Understand? Understand? Yes. See one more example. Subtract 7 by 15 from 13 by 15. We are going to subtract 7 by 15 from 13 by 15. So, how will you write 13 by 15 minus 7 by 15? From 13 by 15, we are going to subtract 7 by 15. Okay. So, here also both the denominators are same. So, what we need to write? Commonly, you need to put one number, right? So 15. So commonly write only one number, that is 15. Okay, because both the numbers are same. Now we need to subtract only the numerator, that is 13 minus 5. What is 13 minus 5? Sorry, 13 minus 7. What is 13 minus 7? 13 minus 7 is, yes, 6. So our answer is 6 by 15. This is your answer, 6 by 15. Do you all understand? Understand? Okay, students, today we have started a new chapter, that is fractions, and we have learned the definition for fraction, form of fraction, then types, and some example problems we have seen. These are all the basic problems. Okay, next class we are going to start our problems. So these are all the basic terms. Please study properly. Please study properly. By using this, we are going to solve all the problems. Okay, learn all the basic concept. If you have any doubt, means please ask me in the Zoom class. Okay, I will give the notes and homework in your WhatsApp group. Thank you all.